In this video, we will discuss the different ways of importing your spreadsheet data into the app, either by creating a template or by field matching. On every data table inside the Records tab, you'll have an Import button. The Import button will allow you to import records directly into the database. When importing records from within the builder, you'll have two options. Regular import, which allows you to manually match fields to columns in your spreadsheet, or template import, which uses predefined field matches. If regular imports is selected, you'll choose your file to import. It's important to note that in order to import a file, it must be formatted as a CSV. Additionally, you can set this import to update existing records in your app by matching one identifying field in the data table to the spreadsheet. For our example, we will select to add all records. On this page, you'll be able to match every column with a field in the data table. Once imported, you can see a log showing which imports were successful. To create a template for your imports, you would go into the Imports tab and click Add New. You can give your template a name and then map the column headers on your spreadsheet to fields in the data table. It's important to make sure the header mappings are exactly matching the headers in your spreadsheet. You will also have the option of adding a condition. For example, you might want to only import records with the status of active. Finally, you can add an import rule. For example, you might want to set a rule to capture the date a record was imported. Once you've created a template, you can either use that template in the Records tab, or you can use an import component to allow your users to import records from within the app. Once you've added an import component and selected the data table to import to, you can then select which template the component will refer to. Under the Options tab, by enabling record matching, you can allow your users the option of updating existing records instead of adding new records. Additionally, you can predefine the identifying field that will be used to match the records. Now, any user can use your template to import records from within the app.